In front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll again to click on Vibration and Haptics, and when you're ready, use this switcher right next to Use Vibration and Haptics to enable or disable them. If you decided to enable them, you can manage all of those options thanks to all of those switchers. So enable or disable ring vibration. And if you decided to switch it on, manage this option called Vibrate first, then ring gradually. Now manage those: notification vibration, alarm, touch feedback, and media. When you're done, go back, and last but not least, click on those switches next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!